Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text to speech to Instagram Reel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, I'm going to create an Instagram Reel. I'm going to click on this plus button and then select Reel, and I'm just going to choose photos from my gallery. I'm going to choose this one, and this one as well, and then we can click on next. And I'm just going to skip this tab. Okay, and before we add text to speech, we have to add text first to our reel. I'm going to click on this button and I'm just going to type in once upon a time. Okay, and click on done, and you can tap on the text and then select text to speech. Okay, and then you can choose the type of the voice you want to apply to your text to speech. And
once upon a time.
I'm gonna go with this one.
Once upon a time.
And click on done. Okay, then you can continue to edit your Instagram
Once upon a
reel
time.
and click on next. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add text to speech to Instagram Reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.